Welcome to Homeschool for American Adults. Hi, I'm Donna Marie. Today we will learn the QU sound. We will read words with the QU sound. You already know how to read the rest of the word. Then we will read sentences that contain the words we practiced. Let's learn the QU sound. Listen up. I will say the QU sound 3 times. Ready? Now, let's say the QU sound together 3 times. Ready? Let us begin. Great job. Let's read words with the QU sound, like Quinn and quest. This is the method that we will use to read the word list. We will say the QU sound, then we'll read the rest of the word. Finally, we will read the whole word. We will follow this method straight through the reading of our word list. Once we complete the reading of our word list in this manner, we will read the word list straight through without pausing. Once we complete reading the word list without pausing, we will read sentences that contain the words that we practiced. Ready? Let us begin. Ack, quack, est, quest, ick, quick, it, quit, ilt, quilt, is, quiz, in, Quinn. Great job. Now we will read the word list straight through without pausing. Ready? Let us begin. Quack, quest, quick, quit, quilt, quiz, Quinn. Great job. Finally, we will read sentences that contain the words that we practiced. Ready? Let us begin. The duck goes quack in the pond. The knight went on a quest to find treasure. The rabbit is very quick. She did not quit the game. The quilt keeps me warm at night. We will take a short quiz in class. Great job. You read words and sentences with the QU sound. Congratulations, you made it to the end of lesson 14. Now I have an assignment for you to do. Your assignment is to take a few moments every day to review the lesson. If you find it difficult to do any part of this lesson, remember, you can always rewind this video and practice again. Never move on to the next lesson until you can complete this lesson with ease. When you can complete this lesson with ease, you are ready to move on to the next lesson. See you there. Now, we have come to the end of this session. But before you go, please, if you've experienced the joy of reading today, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And click the notification bell so that you will know when a new lesson is uploaded. Thank you for joining me today. It was a pleasure teaching you. Bye-bye.